Hi, I'm Drew, and today I'm going to teach you how to build a nice simple tabletop tufting frame so you can get using your new tufting gun and start turning all that yarn into some pretty cool rugs. Let's do this. Alright, before we really get into it, I just want to show you clearly what we're building today. Just a simple frame with a nice way to feed the yarn and clamp it to your table. Okay, time to talk a plan. So all the materials you're gonna need is two 2x4s of 7 or 8 feet, 8 screws at least 2 inches long, and 2 of these eyelet hook things. These are what will feed the yarn through into your tufting gun. Alright, here are the 2 basic ways to build these frames. The only difference between them is how the corners go together there. Option 1 is going to be at the 45-degree angle. Option 2 is just going to sit flat on there. Alright, whatever, you get the point, let's do it. Alright, you need a way to cut the wood. Thankfully I have this nice cool saw, but you can also use a skill saw like this or a hand saw. Mine is just nice because you can do these 45-degree angles very easily. Step 1, you'll want to cut all your wood to the measurements I showed in the plans. Then just go crazy. Cut it. Cut away. If you're clever about it, you can do these 45-degree angles in a way that you save a lot of wood, because the whole frame, at least option 1, is just a lot of 45-degree angles. So you can have one angle be the other on another member. Does that make sense? I don't know. Just be clever about it. You'll figure it out. So here's a little bit of the problem with the 45-degree angles though. Boom, it kind of slips. Oh no, I'm not a expert carpenter. But here's my solution. I kind of did this cross member thing where I secure it. I kind of brace it with that black one. Screw it in. It didn't budge at all. It worked great. And then just screw that out. Worked awesome. So if you're having that same problem, maybe that'll help you. But flip it over, same thing on the other corner of the frame, the top corner. Both options though, the bottom will just kind of screw on flat. It just kind of sets on there with a little bit of overhang. The overhang's where you clamp it down. So you screw it down, super simple. This is how you'd screw down option B. I need new pants. Definitely need new pants. So yeah, there you go. Now you pretty much have your frame. You just need a way to feed the yarn. So I cut a little bit of extra. These are 2x2s, I believe, that I secure on top. You can use a little piece of your 2x4 or whatever you want really, but we just need it to extend above the frame a little bit. Not much though, as you can see. You really don't need it much at all, just like an inch or 2. But I put one there in the middle, and then also I put one over here on the side, just so we have a really nice, pretty system to feed the yarn in. Then you just screw in these eyelet things. You can just do it by hand. It's a little difficult, but boom, leaves you with this awesome way to feed your yarn through the machine. And with that, your frame's, pretty much done. You got it all built, so now it's just time to use it. I leave in some footage of me to show you just kind of how the frame gets used. Like there, you can see that why it's helpful to have the eyelets extend above the frame, because then you can staple in below the eyelets. You can still have your fabric secured there on the frame when you're stretching it, and the eyelets won't get in the way. There's a nice view of the yarn getting fed, and then a nice time lapse of me making my rug. So really hope you follow these directions and get making rugs with me. I think mine turned out awesome. I can see it in like a bathroom or something, bathroom of my dreams. But a little bit of grooming, cut it out, then you put a backing on, bind the edges, which I have tutorials on my channel. just not this video. It's too much for this video. But anyways, I mean, it turned out great. It was actually my first rug. Spoiler. It was my first time making a rug. But I think it turned out awesome. I love it. No complaints. I'm just gonna keep getting better every rug. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more rug. I absolutely love this. I love this so much. I could do this all my life. I love this. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it.